Well, hello ladies. I'm so glad you're joining me to discuss a lot of hot topics. I'm going to discuss the things I don't like about this lifestyle, the challenges, and the solutions. There's so many reasons why women don't want to live this lifestyle, traveling full-time in an RV. And they have valid reasons for hesitation. Well, I'm going to discuss these topics. Men, you can leave now. Hi, I'm Cherie. I'm with EnjoyTheJourney.Life. We sold everything to live full-time in our RV and we love it. But there are challenges, so this is for the women. Some of the topics I want to cover are shaving. Yes, there are challenges, but I have solutions for you. Sex. What's that gonna be about? We will talk about finding hairstylists all over the country. Is it easier or harder to stay fit in this lifestyle? I have a lot to say about that. Social challenges and the solutions we have found. What do you do with used feminine hygiene products? And a lot of other things like cooking, cleaning. You do more of that than you think, the cleaning. Smells. Oof.
Get a whiff?
Oof. Oh, I can't. How do you handle that smell? I don't understand.
I don't think about it.
Clothing.
What happened?
Shopping, and so much more. I can't fit all of this in one video, so I'll be breaking it up into a series titled For Women Only. So be sure to subscribe because we are going to get into the nitty-gritty. I've also done something extra for our members. I've created a private Facebook group where we can dive deeper into these topics, including the ones that can be, well, embarrassing. Because let's get real, we don't want to be talking publicly about some of these things, do we? Ladies? We can encourage one another, ask questions for women only, tips, tricks, and snack hacks. Yes, I have recipe hacks that I am loving right now. I like to also do fitness challenges like posting a screenshot of your workout from the fitness app you like to use. I started a new program, New Year's Eve. I know, the day before New Year's. Seems kind of dumb, but when you're ready, you're ready. So I started it and it's called Noom. I've already lost 6 pounds in just 8 days and I'm really loving the program. If you want to know more about that, there's a link in the description below. Go take their quiz and see if it's right for you. So let's start with staying fit on the road. That's a pretty hot topic. We have Planet Fitness, which is countrywide, yet it feels very hit and miss that we get a chance to go. People assume that once you are on the road and free, that you have all the time in the world to exercise. Well, if you're retired, maybe you do have all the time in the world, but we work more than full time and our jobs are on computers, so the struggle is too real. Also, it's fun to eat at the locals' favorite restaurants. Cheers! And specialty foods known in that area. Key lime pie in the Florida Keys. Anyone? Me? I like it. Shrimp and grits in Charleston, South Carolina? Me? You get the picture. Then there are travel days where it's just easier to grab food on the road, which isn't always the healthiest. We usually pack a salad to go so we aren't tempted, but sometimes we give in to Panera or Subway. Those calories still add up more than I like. So yes, staying fit on the road is a big challenge, but this is the perfect time of year to discuss this topic. The reality of it is that you have to be even more focused on moving more and more mindful of what you eat. So I'm breaking the myth that it's easier to stay fit on the road. It's not true. It's harder to stay fit on the road. It is for me anyway, and for a lot of my fellow friends that are also RVing full-time. Oh, and we didn't mention all of the sitting you do while you're traveling in your vehicle. And that's hours and hours and endless hours on some days. We are very active as well. We hike when there are trails, we snorkel in the Keys, and other than that, we're walking or running or doing both almost every day. So right now, my success has been in Noom. It is a program created by psychologists and has been so helpful in helping me be more mindful. It's an easy to use app and it has been an eye-opener so that I can make better decisions, not only in cooking in the RV, but also when eating out in restaurants. And I wanted to share it with you. So you can add anything to this that you want. You could do ground beef, you could do chicken, you could do steak, you could do, I'm adding a little bit of cheese. Usually I don't do cheese, but today I missed lunch and I'm hungry and it sounds good. And on this you can have anything you want. So Tom's actually gonna have some sausage on his. So we're gonna heat that up. So you can make this any way you want. You can add rice to it if you want. You can add corn. There's so many options with this. I love it. So it's an easy go-to and inexpensive. You can even have wine too. The personal coach on the app checks in once a week to help you with your goals and keep you accountable. I'd like a group of ladies that help each other with that on a more regular basis. Being that they only do it once a week, I think it'd be great to have ladies that come together and help each other on a more regular basis. And that's why I created the private Facebook group page. I hope to see you there. There's power in numbers, ladies. Let's rock 2020. Another reason I hear women say that they don't want a full-time RV is that I'll miss my friends and family. You will still see your friends and family when you visit your home base. You will still socialize when you travel, but it just looks a little different. It's easy to find other ways to be social and make friends on the road. Of course, there is always social media to keep up with those that are important to you, and you can do that on a daily basis. I understand you want to just call up a friend and say, hey, let's meet for lunch, or go shopping, or let's go get our toenails done. I get it. I agree. I miss that stuff too. But I make up for that time when I go to my hometown. Otherwise, we have friends all over the country. We see old classmates, family we haven't seen that are scattered all over the country. It is so much fun to reconnect. You wouldn't believe what a small world it is in the RV community. You just have to keep up with one another and your location. And we run into each other a lot. There's so many events that happen around the country regularly. We just went to a Grand Design rally. Last year, we went to the Quartzsite RV show, and this year, we're going to the Tampa RV show. We have so many friends in the RV community that will be there as well. And these are friends we just met in the last year, and we can't wait to see them. And you end up at a lot of the same parks as well. It's a small community. There are also apps for the RV community, and one of them is called RV Village. It's an app used as a social get-together. You even get notifications when members are in your area, and it's free. There are other clubs as well. I go into more detail in my companion blog post on our website. You will also meet new friends at campsites and resorts where you stay, and you can keep in contact with one another. Before you know it, you will have so many social opportunities. I have been able to fill my social needs with so many other options. I wouldn't trade this lifestyle for anything. I love it. So let's talk about another hot topic. One of the top reasons women give for not wanting to travel in an RV full time is hair. Yes, hair. It's a thing. And I agree with you. There are some ladies that just don't find this important, and that's fine. This isn't for you. But some of us do find it important. Not only that, but it's a priority. I like hair and makeup, and I wasn't going to give it up for this lifestyle. So I have found ways to manage hacking that system. I'm not one of the ladies that decide to let the gray grow in and chop it off. Nope, call me a princess. I don't care. I'll proudly wear my tiara. Most ladies love their regular hair girl that you go to on a regular basis. Let's get real. It is so hard to find someone that knows your hair and gets you. My original plan was to go back home to the area I moved from on a regular basis where I had a hair girl. And that was planned a couple times a year, but that wasn't enough. There's something we call roots. And as much as we like to get back to our roots in life, we don't really want to see the roots in our hair. One of my hacks is using social media. Instagram is the easiest for me. I just had my hair done in Tampa where I found Sam. I'll let her give you the tip I use.
Hi, I'm Samantha. I work here at J. Joseph Salon in Tampa. Just want to give you guys some tips on, traveling and keeping your hair styled. I would always search for the color or Tampa stylist, so whatever area you're in. So if you're in New Orleans stylist, Tampa hairstylist. You can also look up Tampa hair salon, always making sure you kind of add hair in there. It keeps it a little bit easier for you to find what you're looking for. Also, if you find something that you love or a stylist that you love, have them write down the formula or what they used on you so that you can use that at your next stylist.
Thanks, Sam. She was awesome. She was a lot of fun, and she was so great on camera. I will share some of my favorite hairstyles that I have found across the US in my companion blog post. We should also share in the For Women Only Facebook group page. That way we have a great resource we can all come together and share. Yes, you can still look like your gorgeous self. I have more tips on finding great stylists on my blog post, so be sure to read more on it there. The link will be in the description below. I hope this helps you with your decision making when deciding to go full time. It's a big decision, and I hope I can help you more in the future with my series. Thank you for subscribing, and I hope to see all of you on Facebook where we can share tips and tricks and hacks for the road. Staying beautiful and healthy, sharing recipes, encouraging one another on this journey. And if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you on Facebook and in my series that's coming up soon. If you have any other questions or any comments or any hacks you want to share in the comments below, I'll appreciate that, and I'll hope to address some of your questions. Bye, guys.